Visualization and affirmations, your key to test success. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful technique to prepare your mind for the SAT and ACT exams. Visualization and affirmations. Imagine walking into the test room with confidence, having an unshakable positive mindset, and performing at your absolute best. Sounds great, right? Let's learn how to make this a reality. Visualization is the process of creating a mental image or scenario in your mind. It's like a rehearsal, but in your thoughts. Just like athletes visualize winning a race, you can visualize succeeding in your exam. How does it work? By creating a vivid mental image of success, you are training your brain to recognize and pursue the outcomes you desire. It helps decrease anxiety and increases your confidence. Steps for visualization. Find a quiet place. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Picture yourself entering the test room with confidence. Visualize yourself reading and answering the questions effortlessly. Feel the emotions, the joy, pride, and relief of finishing the test and knowing you did well. Do this for a few minutes every day leading up to the test. Affirmations are positive statements that help you challenge and overcome self-doubt and negative thoughts. They can set a positive tone for your test day. Why are they important? Repeatedly telling yourself positive and affirming statements can reshape your beliefs and boost your self-esteem, which is crucial for test taking. Sample affirmations. I am prepared and capable of taking this test. Every challenge I face is an opportunity to learn. I believe in my abilities and have worked hard for this day. Remember to repeat these affirmations daily, especially on the morning of your test. For the most effective results. 1. Start with the visualization exercise. 2. Once you've visualized your success, incorporate your affirmations. As you see yourself succeeding in the test, repeat your affirmations either out loud or in your mind. This combination not only prepares your mind but also emotionally reinforces the belief in your capabilities. There you have it. 2 powerful tools to set you on a path to success for your SAT or ACT exam. Remember, the mind is a powerful tool, and by setting it in the right direction with visualization and affirmations, you're setting yourself up for success. We believe in you, and after today's video, we hope you believe in yourself even more. Happy studying and all the best for your exams.